In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add a file embed to your Wix webpage, allowing you to display various types of content directly on your website. Let's start off by accessing your Wix editor. From here, look for the Add Elements button on the left-hand menu. This button is marked with a plus sign and should be easy to spot. Once you've located it, go ahead and click this button. Following this, your screen should now display a panel with multiple options. Scan through this list and select the Embed Code option. Clicking on this option will then open a panel with various ways for you to embed content on your page. Now, within this panel, you're provided with two types of embeds. The first one is Embed HTML, which is the option you'll want to select if you would like to paste a specific code snippet from a service or platform. This includes platforms like Google Drive or a third-party PDF viewer. On the other hand, if you're looking to display an entire external website within your own web page, the second option, Embed a Site, is the one you should go for. After you have identified the type of embed that suits your needs, click on it to add it to your web page. This action will indicate to the Wix editor that you wish to place this element onto your page. At this point, you'll find the chosen element visible on your page. Your next step is to configure the embed, molding it to fit your specific requirements. Start by clicking the newly added element on your page. Based on whether you've chosen to embed HTML or embed a site, you'll then need to select the corresponding option to either enter the code snippet or website address. If you've opted for the Embed HTML option, select Enter Code and then paste your HTML snippet. On the other hand, if Embed a Site is what you've chosen, you'll instead select Enter Website Address and paste the URL of the website you wish to display on your page. Finally, click Apply to save your changes. This step validates the data you've entered, applies it to your page, and allows the embedded file or site to be displayed. And just like that, you've successfully added a file embed to your Wix webpage. I hope you find this tutorial helpful and feel more confident about embedding files in your Wix website.